Pull your refrigerator away from the wall. Look at the coils on the back, or remove the kick plate at the bottom. If those coils are coated in gray dust, pet hair, or lint, your compressor is working against restricted airflow and running 15% longer per cycle than it should. The condenser coils are where refrigerant releases heat absorbed from inside. Heat transfer requires airflow across the coil surface. Dust acts as an insulating barrier, reducing heat transfer, reducing the heat rejection rate, and forcing the compressor to run longer. The compressor running 15% longer means 15% more electricity consumed. That's $94 per year in unnecessary electricity cost. A condenser coil brush costs $4.17. The cleaning takes 11 minutes. Manufacturers documented this in 1952. Repair companies charge $89 for it. And there is a failure mode that leads to a $600 compressor replacement quote. Appliance service calls for this start at $89. Travel and minimum service cost $45. Labor is $7.33. That's a 70% margin on the service. But the compressor failure is the real revenue event. Dirty coils make the compressor run hotter than 160 degrees. At that temperature, the lubricating oil degrades rapidly. Mechanical wear accelerates, and service life shortens. When it fails, you're looking at a replacement cost of up to $2,400. 11 minutes of cleaning prevents that entire cycle. The payback on that 4.17 brush is 16 days. Here is the refrigeration science. A vapor compression cycle. Refrigerant absorbs heat at the evaporator. Then the compressor pressurizes it. The hot gas flows to the condenser coils to reject heat. Heat rejection is governed by the heat transfer equation. Dust reduces the convective heat transfer coefficient. Compressor discharge pressure rises, and the cycle runs longer. The oil hydrolyzes, forming acid that eats away the compressor. Stop. Let's look at the 1952 documentation. The manual explicitly said to clean the coils annually. This was standard practice through the 1950s and 60s. The physics of the coils hasn't changed in 73 years. But the design changed, moving coils from the back to the bottom. Visibility dropped, cleaning frequency dropped, and revenue increased. Clean every 12 months if you have pets or dust. Is your fridge running longer than usual? It's time to clean. Post-1990 models have coils behind the kick plate. Some new models have sealed systems. Check your manual. One caution: if the compressor has already failed, this won't fix it. Now, the protocol. 11 minutes, brush and vacuum. Step 1. Locate the coils and remove the kick plate. Step 2. Use a vacuum to remove loose surface dust. Step 3. Insert the brush and work back and forth. The brush dislodges embedded dust between the fin rows. Step 4. Vacuum up the disturbed dust. Step 5. Replace the kick plate and ensure proper airflow. Leave a 2-inch gap at the back for airflow. Total time, 11 minutes. Total cost, $4.17. U.S. appliance repair generates $4.7 billion annually. Service call, $89. Brush, $4.17. Neglect the coils, and you invite a $600 compressor quote. Tonight, pull your refrigerator away from the wall. If they're gray, you're paying $94 a year in wasted energy. Tell me in the comments, how thick was the buildup? Every coil brushed is one fewer service call. Next video, your dryer vent. Dryer vent blockages cost $131 per year. Cleaning it takes 22 minutes with a $7.47 kit. The Safety Commission documented this fire hazard in 1959. Service companies charge $149 for the cleaning. It's time to take control of your maintenance. A simple brush, a little time, and a lot of savings. Your appliances will thank you. Check your coils today. It's the easiest fix in the house. Thanks for watching.